Hey guys, today I have the IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of October. They do send me this for review purpose. They do send me these already, one inside the box and one side inside the bag. So I just kind of show these as they come basically. So we're gonna start off with the Glam Bag, which is the little one. This is what the bag looks like this month. It's a little spider bag, and I thought it was so cute because the little zipper is a little spider. That is super, super cute. And as you can see, I have like little witchy vibes back there, perfect for the season. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. If anything in here doesn't belong in here, go ahead and feel free to correct me. I just kind of go based on how they send things. I don't get a card or anything. Basically, the only card that they send me is, where is the card? Okay, the card that they send me is this, and it just says Halloween, but it doesn't really tell me like anything other than it's spooky season, but it doesn't tell me like where products go where. So we're just winging it, okay? First thing in here is the full-size Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat. I'm super excited because I don't have any of the heat ones. I do have the gloss bombs, and these are supposed to be lip plumping. That's why they're called heat. And this is the color Hot Cherry. So let's go ahead and see. So that's what it looks like. It's just a light kind of red color. It doesn't seem like it's gonna give a lot of color to the lip. It does have like that smell very similar to the Too Faced lip injection, where it has that really strong minty smell to it, where it's going to give that tingle to the lips. I'm not sure if this one's just as strong as the lip injection one. Somebody tell me, because I've never tried these ones. So this is a full size. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be in this bag, but it came in this bag. So don't shoot the messenger. Next thing in here is the Kopari Ultra Restore Body Butter. I really like Kopari. I have tried their like melt thing, and this is hyaluronic acid, prickly pear, and coconut oil. So this is just a body butter. And if you hear noise, that's my son. I'm trying my best today, okay? Next thing in here is a little mascara. This is the Magic Feather by Ditto. I have quite a few mascaras open right now, so I'm going to leave this one sealed and give it away. And then the next thing in here is this opened from this. So this is from Bare Minerals. It's the Mineralist Lasting Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Spirited. I absolutely love these liquid lipsticks by them. They're almost like a moussey texture, and they're very comfortable on the lips. I have more of their muted kind of like brownie shades, so this one's absolutely beautiful. It's like a reddish coral shade. Very, very beautiful, and that is Spirited. We'll be keeping that. And then the next thing that I have in here is the Kat Von D Tattoo Pencil Liner, and this is in Veretta Green. So it's a pencil liner, and it's like a very black green, almost to the point that it's almost black. It's very hard to tell that it's a green, but that's what it looks like. Oh, and I forgot, this is not Kat Von D, it's KVD. I wish they would have changed the initials or done something else, because it's like you see KVD and you automatically think Kat Von D. But it's the KVD vegan new rebranded Kat Von D line. And that's also a full size. So I don't know if those are supposed to be in there. Somebody correct me. But that is everything that came in mine. So these were all in this little bag. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. So those were all in the Glam Bag. Now for the Glam Bag Plus, the bag is absolutely just beautiful. It's black and purple. Purple is one of my favorite colors ever. And then it has Halloween themed, which is my favorite holiday. It has like witchy vibes. It has snakes, skulls, poison, bats, like the whole 9 yards. Love love this. This one I don't think I'll give away. I usually like give away like little goodies in my bags, but I think I'm going to keep this one because it's so witchy. It even has like a black flame candle on there, like very hocus pocus, kind of like my hocus pocus book. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's in here. First thing is the Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. It comes with a set of 10. I absolutely love these. I live by waking up and putting under eye pads underneath my eyes. I just really feel like it helps your under eyes, just really hydrates them and helps with concealer. After a certain age, you just wake up and you need them. You just need them. You just need all the hydration that you can get. So these are really nice, and I just feel like the ones that are individually packaged like this tend to hydrate more. I do buy the ones that are a little bit cheaper and come in the tub, but those tend to dry out a little bit faster. So anytime, bless you, salud. So anytime they do come individually packaged like this, I don't mind. Next thing is this brush, and this seems like a very versatile brush. It has that shape that I really like, where you can use it as a blush, bronzer, highlight, for contouring, for setting underneath the eye. This is kind of like one of those multi-purpose brushes, and it has like a really nice weight to it. So I really like that too, and it's a black and pink. Next up is something that I absolutely love. If you saw my balms video, I did a video of like all the balms or makeup balms and makeup oils that I've tried, and this was one of the ones that I highly recommend from the drugstore. This is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm, and that's what it looks like. This is a really great balm. If you're looking for a good one from the drugstore, this is the way to go. It's very affordable. I think it's I want to say less than $12. It's really good, really hydrating. It takes off all your makeup and it doesn't stick to your skin or leave like any residue or anything like that, which I really enjoy. Okay, comment down back there. Next thing is the Earth Harbor Cloud Burst. This is the gel hydrator. This is a marine probiotics and herbal complex. This is basically like a light moisturizer, and that is what it looks like. It is like a light green. It's basically just like a light moisturizer for your skin. And then the last thing in here is from Estate. It's a pressed pigment eyeshadow in fall edit. I really like Estate eyeshadows. I bought their, which one was it? Or I didn't buy it. I think I got it in a box. It's from the Bailey Sarian one. I absolutely love that one. She did a collaboration with them, and that palette is absolutely amazing. This is what it looks like. Really fall vibes, really beautiful. A really nice cool tone palette, and it even has like one warm tone up here. Really beautiful. That's gorgeous. Let me know if you guys want me to do a look with this. I can do a get ready with me, or if not, I might just give this away. I have a friend at work and her daughter's really getting into makeup, and I've been doing like little baggies for her and giving her some products, because I don't like just hoarding products for myself, because I only have one face. So I don't like just keeping products and having them expire and go bad when I can also be sharing them with other coworkers and friends and, you know, friends of friends and stuff like that, you know. Anyways, that is it for the bags. Let me know which one was your favorite. I have to say, I'm kind of perplexed this month. I like them both. I really like the Fenty Gloss Balm. I'm excited to try that. I also like the Bare Minerals lip, and I really like the palette. This is a very beautiful palette. I like the under eyes. The e.l.f. is something that I love and use all the time, so that's a win-win. Yeah, so I feel like both bags were pretty good this month. Let me know what your thoughts are. And I feel like both bags are super cute. I love the spider vibes on this one, but this one has my heart with all the Halloween, like all the little Halloween stuff on here is just super cute. So that is it for this month's bags. Let me know which one was your favorite. If you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you subscribe, hitting that little red button. I do have social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.